Hey, it's summertime, and as you're out walking around, you will see in short grass areas a lot of clover growing. And clover is great, it's pretty. You can make a tea from clover that's rich in vitamins, but clover also attracts bees. And the bees are in feeding on the nectar to make the honey for man. That's the way God made it to be. But man comes in contact with the bees, scares the bees, puts them in danger, and the bees sometimes will sting the person. Well, some people have severe reactions to bee stings. And it's funny, God oftentimes has put plants that are attractive and may be a problem, puts a plant that will help to resolve some of the issues of the plant and some of the reactions from something like the bee. And in this situation, we have a plant that has been used for years, that when the bees are attracted to the clover and people are attracted to these areas, they get stung, and then we have a bit of a remedy or a solution, not a cure, but it helps you get out of a critical situation, and it's called plantain. These are the leaves of plantain. This is the seed stem, and we've all seen it. It grows in our yard. And what you do is, if you're in an emergency situation and you get bit, take the leaf of the plantain, chew it up. You could eat it, and it gives you high in vitamin C, A, and D. But for this purpose, we want to mix a lot of saliva with it. And if you get bit on the arm, put that on there and leave it on there for about 10 or 15 minutes. And slowly the pain will go away. And it only lasts for a short time. So what you have to do is, when the pain starts to come back, get rid of the old plantain and stick a new leaf in your mouth. Sort of tasty. Put it back on, and you continue to do that and see if you're having any adverse reactions. If you are, you better get to the hospital, because you don't want to go into anaphylactic shock where you quit breathing. But this might get you out of a tough situation and give you a temporary heal. Hey, this is Mose. I thank you for joining me in my channel, and I am getting so much response, and I'm just loving it, because I'm having an opportunity to share God's gifts and all the interconnections with you so that you can benefit it. That's the reason these things are here. God wants us to have these, but he wants us also to learn what he put them here for. It's not only beauty, not only to feed wildlife, but often these are foods for us, and often they have been used for medicines. Hey, this is Mose. Sign up for my channel, and may God bless you and, of course, your family.